how to pair Ray-Ban Meta glasses to your phone. Whether it's an Android or iPhone, it's a simple method. It's easy. First, you want to do this: hit the Meta glasses, go to Open Settings, hit the Bluetooth. Boom. Go back, hit the Bluetooth. Now, right here is a little tricky, but you want to sit here and make sure you connect. So you go back again once more, and you open up the app. It should pop up. Hit continue, right? It says LED is pulsing blue, so it should be showing blue, right, on your case. There's a little button you can press simply for that, right? So it should be lighting up blue, just like this right here. Hold the button for like 3 to 5 seconds, and it should turn that color, and that's when you know it's ready to connect with your glasses. Make sure your glasses are inside as well. If not, they won't connect. Believe me. Boom, hit the connect, and it starts to pair up. Hit pair, and voila, you are paired to your Meta glasses. And now you can use the functions powered by Meta. Continue, do all that right there. Continue, do this later. Add the Instagram. Continue, all that. The voice settings. Continue. Skip the tutorials, but if you could do that too. So them are all of the things you could do as well with these glasses. And I ain't got time to show you, but on the next one, I will set a few tutorials up to see and see what how the apps work and everything else and all the functionalities and that comments.